Hello everyone, welcome back to another Legoxuan video. That's right, once again I am being consistent with my uploads. Hopefully you guys are enjoying that I'm, back making content. We'll see how long this lasts. Now, I've been waiting for these packages to arrive for a long time. It's a huge unboxing, a mixture of eBay parts and some from Bricklink, which was actually my first time ordering properly from Bricklink. I'd ordered a few things, but I tried to order a bulk load this time, and yeah, it's going to be leading on to a lot of content relating to my how to build series. Drop your theories in the comments below. I'm sure maybe I'm giving a huge hint with my minifigure currently right now, so let's take a look at the first parts, which are directly from eBay. Welcome to the plan view once again. So let's slide in the eBay packages. We've got 1, 7 and 8 of them. We'll go one at a time. This one's actually ripped open. I did rip it open, but I never got to see what was inside. Oh, I won't go too in depth with what the pieces are, but as you can see here, hopefully this is the Riddler bowler cap. Right, next package. The woman white hair piece. I don't really know what this piece is called, but yep, I actually didn't record the opening, which is annoying, but I haven't seen what's in there yet, so there you go. Shout out to this person on eBay. That's really nice. There we go. It's a beach and a swimming trunk. Just trying to make sure nobody's addresses are fully on there. Next up is just the red bandana or the maroon bandana piece. Bigger package this time, but I think it's still a small piece. Oh, well, I've just ripped that, whatever that was. Not to worry, it was just the invoice for the part, which is a grey pinstriped 3-piece suit, which I actually don't know what that comes from, but a very thin piece here, so I worry that this is probably a cape or a cloth piece, I believe. Ah, there we go. It's a black waist cape piece. Now, I can't remember if this is actually a custom piece or it's official, but another one that I just cut open, but I haven't looked at it yet, and it's the Lego Dimensions version of Newt's Commander. Yep, that's the full minifigure there with the little thing that actually goes along with the game, so that's pretty cool. Last of the eBay packages here before we get onto the Bricklink stuff. There's 2 sets of things here, which I think they actually came as the same seller, but 2 different parts. 2 beige fedoras and 1 red scarf piece, so yeah. Alright everyone, I hope you're not getting bored, but it has actually been a few weeks since I filmed the previous clips. Finally, all 12 of my extra items that I need for these customs have arrived. So yeah, let's take a look at the parts that I've ordered from Bricklink, now that we've finished with the eBay stuff. Alright, this is actually the first time, like I mentioned earlier, that this was the first time I've actually bought a bulk load from Bricklink. Usually I've bought like 1 or 2 parts, but I've never bought this many. This is always so exciting for me because it's always a few weeks before I end up opening the packages, so I completely forget what I bought. I'm going to make sure to shout out each of the sellers that are selling these. They all seem to have like a little nice logo or a little sticker. So here's VO Bricks. You can see the Instagram there, Instagram at VO_bricks. Let's take a look. Alright, here we have Tina Goldstein from the Fantastic Beasts films, and obviously it came with another torso that I bought, which is I believe this is Alfred's torso. This is a really, really old Alfred torso. Hopefully when I put new arms in, that won't break. There's no logo on this box, so hopefully there's something inside that I can remember who it's by. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Heidi and Lee's Brick World. That's really cool. I'll let you guys read that because obviously I'm just going to move on and open the parts, but that's really nice. Little high quality leaflet there. Nice. You get a little business card as well. That's just a simple black bow tie and a black bandana. Along with that, we have the James Potter minifigure. This is the full thing. I'm not sure why I never picked this up because I always needed these kind of parts and I just never bought the figure when it was out. Nice. Blimey, that was tough to open. Yes, here's a few different parts. I cannot remember which parts these are, but blue jean leg there, which is quite simple. You get some dual molded light brown, tan, and dark brown boots. You have this lady's face. I cannot remember where that's from. If you can, let me know. I cannot remember where this guy's face is from either. This is really bothering me. And you have this, I believe it's some kind of Star Wars pilot's face. I need it for the sideburns. I'm sure you can work out who that's for. But yep, 5 parts in there, so that's quite a lot for that package. The next one is from Bird's Bricks. Alright, we have Fat Thor's legs. I needed it for the tartan checkered pattern on the legs. Unfortunately, you get a bit of the Thor's belly there, which I didn't realise, but oh well. This is from Derby Brickhouse, so thank you very much, Derby Brickhouse. According to the little note that I got, it's the dark tan buttons and belt with silver buckle, sand blue scarf. Nice little sticker here from Pick and Mix Bricks. That's a really cool name. Here's their business card. Very nice. You can go to their website there, pickandmixbricks@yahoo.com is their email. Scan here to shop. So here we have this really old Lego piece. This is just a simple white shirt with brown suspenders, black belt, and red bow ties. Here you guys have this torso from a Lord of the Rings characters, cannot remember who, and you have these tartan legs, which are from a CMF minifigure that I actually own, but I needed another set of legs. Thank you for your order. Thank you very much for selling me the order, I guess. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a business card or a sticker. It just thanked me for buying their torsos. So here you guys have Harry Potter's dark blue navy zipper with a shirt underneath, and you have this old navy torso, which some kind of sailor or a captain or... Okay, this is from 247 Parts. It says that I bought quite a few parts from them. So here we have 2 sets of these legs. Not sure what these are from, but these are really cool. There's a lot of printing on them. There's some side printing. The brown boots, they got a belt, they've got the little pockets. And we have also 2 satchels. No, sorry, 3 brown satchels in here and 2 white bow tie pieces. Did I duplicate my order by accident or something? I have no idea why I've duplicated stuff. Alright, here we have a dark red blazer with a brown waistcoat. You got a dark blue navy bow tie, a sort of tan beige Stetson piece, and also this old Lego piece, because you can tell, look at the printing on that. That is definitely an old piece. This next one is from Infinibricks. Just want to point out their little stamp on there. That's really cool, Sean and Bitzer. Never seen that before, but I almost want to keep that. Maybe I'll cut around it and keep that. Alright, here we go. We have Ki-Adi-Mundi's head from the more recent appearance of him from that clone battle pack. He's got a very wrinkly back forehead, hasn't he? You've got the spiky light grey hair. And what is that piece? Oh, it's a hood. It's a hood piece. It's a navy hood. That's a piece I've never owned before, but I thought was really cool. So, one last package. There's a box in this one, so hello. I don't know who this is from. I am so sorry. I trust you'll be 100% happy with your order. I'm sure I will be, and I'll definitely leave you feedback. This is technology69@yahoo.com. It doesn't say what the Bricklink site is, but look at the amount of parts they have. That is insane. Look at that. Let's take a look at the parts. This is some kind of Jurassic Park or Jurassic World torso, I'm fairly certain. You got a beige sort of coat there with over a white shirt. There's a yellowish blonde lady's hair. It looks more blonde in real life. It's showing up more yellow on the camera. And we have a black leather jacket. This, I think, is actually from Mutt from Indiana Jones. So here's the final pile. There is the Bricklink orders and there's the eBay orders. In total, there's roughly 45 individual pieces. Obviously, some of them are duplicates, like there's duplicate hats or bags, but individually, there's around 45 different pieces here for customs that are upcoming to the channel. So lots of content coming very, very soon. But yeah, thank you to everyone who sold stuff to me. This is obviously super useful for upcoming customs, and I might have a Lego problem. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little unboxing video. I know they're very simple, but you know, they're definitely fun for me. Not sure how fun they are for viewers, but make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what your favorite parts were. Stay tuned for upcoming customs, definitely coming soon, as you can tell. And yeah, see you guys in the next Legoxuan video. Goodbye.